Alright guys, welcome to the Vin Gigs channel. Today we're starting off the video a little differently. So let's go get Vinnie another car. They said they have a stage for us.
There it is.
Ooh.
They got a ribbon out front.
Nice, nice. What are we doing? Where's it at? Where is it at? Is that? Oh my gosh. Dude, this thing looks sick. All right, guys. So we're just pulling up to the dealership. We saw it rolling in, and dude, this thing looks insane. So Vinnie found this car online at North Shore Auto Gallery here in Chattanooga, and we kind of got it sight unseen. So we're hoping this thing's gonna look really good. I'm sure it does. There's good reviews on this place, so we're kind of freaking pumped that that we found another good Shelby car. Now, you guys might be wondering, and I'm gonna explain, me and Vinnie are gonna explain later why he got another Mustang, but let's go in and see this thing. You wanna show us around, man?
Yeah, so
let's see what we got.
In my opinion, the rarest car here is gonna be this M4 CSL.
Okay.
So there's 1,000 made worldwide, 300 of them made its way to the States.
Yeah.
And this is one of them.
Oh my gosh.
I've never seen a CSL.
I don't even know what a CSL is, but
It's
dude.
Yeah, it's the one that.
Oh, okay. We just got a. Oh my gosh, that color, Vinnie. Vinnie, I think we got the wrong one, dude. Look at this thing. This is kind of like, this looks like the Mustang, but BMW, because look, it's got the red, the gray with the red stripes and stuff, dude. Those headlights are nuts. Oh yeah. Oh, seat delete in the rear. So that was one of Vinnie's like things, is he had to have a rear seat so he could take his kids in the car to school. I was like, okay, sweet. That's yeah. Really? Yep. It has rear seats. It's one of the only ones with the rear seat still in it. This is gonna be loud, but he's got the key. So. Have you heard one of these? All right, here it is. Vinnie's new Shelby Ford Performance GT350R. I mean, I guess it's time. Like we gotta take this thing out into the world. It's gonna start up and we'll roll her out. I got you.
Oh, that's way better, dude.
Let me hear it a little bit, bud. Well, freaking sold. So we're gonna head out. We're gonna head and get some gas in this thing. This thing is beautiful. We're gonna give it one more look over outside, look how the paint looks and all that fun stuff. So keep you guys updated. We'll see you guys at the gas station. Now guys, I have driven a lot of cars, but this one has truly giving me chill bumps right now. I'm kind of shaking right now. It has such a presence on the outside. Now we're just pulling out of the dealership, so I will see you guys. We're gonna go to a gas station and fill up on gas with me and Ryan's car and then head up to the mountains. All right, boys, first fill up, $43. Not bad for a big old 5.2. So we're about to head out. All right, so we just pulled up at AutoZone. As you guys can see, Ryan needs valve stem on his right side. Tires, so I'm gonna give Vinnie a little treat. We're gonna make this thing freaking nice before we give it to him tomorrow. So let's surprise him with some goodies from AutoZone. You know how sick it'd be if we found the freaking car that we have outside right here. All right, do we get him like, I don't even know what to get, some chrome trim. Let's see what we got. Oh my gosh, absolutely, we gotta get these. All right, Vinny, surprise, buddy. Dude, gotta say, this place is freaking beautiful. I love the North Carolina mountains because you just have so much green and then beautiful, beautiful water out there. Well, boys, we made it back to the hotel and we are tired. So we're gonna head in, go to sleep, call it a day. So we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, guys, day 2. This is the day we give it to Vinny. So I'm excited. This is gonna be a lot of fun. We're gonna go up and down the Dragon a few more times and really shake this car down for Vinny. We gotta make sure it's in top-notch condition for this guy. So this thing's beautiful. Just take a look. So I can't wait to give you guys my true feelings about this car and how I like it compared to all of other Vinny's cars so far. So let's hit the Dragon. Alright guys, we are almost to the Dragon. I'm gonna pop on the GoPro and I'm gonna tell you guys like my genuine reaction to the 350R in the mountains. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do one run and then we're headed straight back to Charlotte to give Vinny the car. Alright boys, don't judge me because I don't have my other glove on yet, but we are going up the tail of the Dragon. We just left Deal's Gap store. Oh yeah, got the gloves on. Alcantara steering wheel. Definitely needs the race gloves for this. Oh my God, this thing is sounding beautiful this morning. What is this thing? Oh, we got a 992 we're chasing. Okay, okay. This should be a fun freaking run. Hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. Oh, nice M3 there. 992 is gone, brother. This car, man, this freaking car is amazing. So Ryan was telling me, I've never even, Vinny and Ryan have been telling me all about these cars, and I didn't even know they existed before this weekend. I mean, basically it's a track-ready GT350. So it's got the 5.2, it's got about 550-ish horsepower, I think. Factory carbon fiber wheels that are painted black. This car has the most aggressive presence ever. I think if you want a little more aggressive, you go to a GT500. Well, Vinny's got that. It's a pretty freaking good car. The Alcantara steering wheel, just about everything on this car is just like designed for you to freaking, oh my God, that Porsche sounds amazing. Gosh, this thing is so much fun to drive. First impressions, this car is kind of amazing. Ryan was even telling me, he was like, you don't even look like you're getting close to the limit of this car. It's got such a wide stance. I mean, the poke on this thing, I mean, the whole car is just set up so good. So we are about to head back up the Dragon. I think that's right. Right, Ryan? Okay, so we're gonna head back up. We need to get one last run in, because then we gotta go deliver it to Vinnie. So stay tuned, this is gonna be so much fun. It's gonna be hard giving it up. I'm only telling Vinnie that we got one key, because he got two, but I think I need to keep one just in case. So, all right, we got Vinnie's nice little dice hanging from the windshield, and we are about to pull up. I'm so excited. He's already recording, so I'll see you guys in a minute.
Oh geez, another loud car. Well, yeah. Hey, you picked up some friends on the front.
Oh yeah. What you think, man?
Holy cow, man.
This thing is amazing.
In person, it is wicked.
It's so mean.
What's up, brother?
How's
Hey,
it going?
man, good to see you.
Good to see you. So,
Are you bummed that you're now gonna miss it?
I am so sad. I was like texting Vinnie. I was like, all right, when's the next time I can drive this thing? This thing is special.
Dang, son. Dude, it looked menacing coming down the driveway.
It looks so good.
It
right?
looked so good. The color's amazing.
Next level in person.
Dang.
It's Alcantara, everything inside. Like,
This car like is calling your name. This car like speaks Miller.
That's what Ryan was telling me, man. I was
It
like,
really does.
"Ah."
It really does, dude. Hey, man, this might be on your
This
list.
might be on the list.
Because even a regular GT350, there's no difference in the motor.
Yep.
And it's just the wheels, really.
Yeah.
And dude, they're like 50 grand.
That might be on the list. That might be have to happen.
It's almost the same exact car. Oh, it's all manual. Oh, get out of here, B. Get out of here.
All right.
All right,
Try her out.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Way different interior than the.
Way
It's
different.
So weird. I like the pedal.
Oh, that is really odd.
That's I asked you.
It like sticks right there, and then it falls
But
through.
when you drive,
Yeah.
it's the easiest car to drive. This thing's fun. Oh, you like that?
Did you put those in there?
You like that?
Those are hilarious, dude.
I was like, what can I do? And then I got something else for you on the passenger seat.
Race.
It's already been on the Dragon.
Oh, a sticker.
Yeah.
That's amazing. You broke her in.
Yeah, she.
How was it?
It's probably the best car I've ever driven.
Yeah.
On the Dragon. Best car for the Dragon. I had guys in 992 GT3s and Turbo S's coming up to me and being like, "This car sounds amazing and looks like it's like the best car here." They came up to me and asked to look at it, and they're like, "Nice car." I'm like, "Thanks, it's my friend's."
And I bought this one because I had the back seat, so I could stick the kids back there.
I didn't know it was a dealer option.
Yeah, because most people delete the back seat, and then I can't take the kids.
Well, now you can if you want to put a car seat on Alcantara.
Yeah. Oh, no way. Oh,
see-
dude, you could totally see it. Look at it in the...
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh.
Isn't that crazy?
That's crazy.
All right.
Ooh.
First reaction here.
Sick, dude. This thing is sick. Oh, dude, you do not need GT500 power in this car.
No.
Yeah, this is the Grigio GT40 motor.
I'll get kind of low. It's a go-kart.
Bro, you don't need more than that.
No.
This is great. This is perfect.
Yeah.
I can't believe you already took this through tail. Like, I'm so pumped for you. Oh, and I gotta just drive these little back roads.
That's why I said, I was like, once you take it up to the mountains one time, you're gonna be back there every weekend. It's unreal.
I can feel it right now. I would much rather drive this in the mountains than the GT500.
Yep. You're gonna want to drive this over the GT in the mountains.
Ooh, that's a tough one.
I'm gonna let you drive it one time and then let you decide.
That's a tough one. That GT is amazing.
Yeah, it really.
That back end wants to play around too.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
So if you.
Oh my God, the sound, dude. This is ridiculous.
Stock exhaust.
You don't need an exhaust on this car.
No.
You don't need to be louder.
No.
If I want to be louder, I'll just take F85.
Yeah, exactly. You have a car. You have a whole other car to be louder.
Yeah. I have a car to wear earplugs to drive.
Yeah.
Wait till you hear it leaving your house.
I can't wait.
It's like, it literally is like one of the best sounding V8s ever. Second to like F85.
Hey, I love this car.